Do you own a Ford and you can't get your windshield wipers to stop wiping? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that in this video. First things first, get a big hammer. Okay, so to change this guy, looks like what we're going to have is there's going to be three, hopefully you can see them there, 3 bolts that we're going to have to take out right there. And what I found was I'm going to be using a 7/32. It might be a 5.5 millimeter as well, but that's what I'm going to use to take out those 3 bolts that are underneath. All right, from this side I also had to kind of pop this off. Okay, so nothing more than just the 3 bolts on the bottom and then popping this guy completely off. Comes right out. I turned the steering wheel like this and lowered the tilt all the way down so that I could access the switch here. And as you can see, it's got 2 torque heads that hold it in. And I compared the part number. I'll give you a zoomed in on the part number there, but it matches our new part number, so we should be good. And that's going to be a torque head T10 on those 2 bolts. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out right now. All right, now let's get that new one in. And it just plugs right in like so. Now we'll get our screws back in. All right, we'll do a quick test. Okay, looks like everything's good, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it all back together. Be sure to check out the description because I'll have everything that we used today in this video linked in the description below. Also check out those links to our store where you can get some cool vinyl graphics and decals. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace! And as always, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we upload.